Okay, what's up guys? GMT here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can download video from YouTube for free. Let's get started. First, go to link, go to website savefrom.net. So after, you should go to YouTube and choose a video. So what? So I will choose this and copy link address. Then paste it and it will automatically show you what you are downloading and just click download. After, let's go to video.
And I go back to what I was saying earlier, where
Video.
if you're a new company,
Thank you for all watching my video. Subscribe if you liked it. Goodbye.